Hello, hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, my very inactive YouTube channel. I know, I know. Anyways, today is day 2. This is the look we're going to be recreating using pretty much 3 eyeshadows. 2 from the, I don't know where I've put it now, there it is. 2 from this e.l.f. palette, which is the Berry Bad, and then this one glitter from Kash Beauty. It's the gold one, not the silver, but if you're more of a silver babes, go for the silver. Anyways, let's jump right into it. Enjoy. Like, is this not just so pretty? I woke up one day and decided that I should absolutely try to do days of Christmas, 12 days of Christmas to be specific. I don't know, I thought it would be a fun endeavor for me, just because 1, I haven't been doing my makeup so much. 2, I keep buying makeup even though I'm not really doing it as much as I used to. And 3, did I say 3? Is that 4? I don't know. It needs to be used because it like expires. Recently on TikTok, I have been absolutely bombarded by like cat's eye stuff. That's all I've been seeing, the debut song. And then I saw that there was a Netflix thing, so I went off and I watched it, and oh my goodness, I think insane how people just they have like dreams and they know what they want to do when they're so young and they just go for it. And oh, it like got me feeling like a little bit of a bum because I've been struggling, okay? So for today's look, we're going to do this very nude with a little bit of glitter, which as far as I'm concerned means festive look. So I'm just trying to match the drawing of my shape here to the one I had previously done on the other side. I don't know what it is, but it's like symmetry. Symmetry is not my bestie. We're just going to follow that with a little bit of a blending brush around the edge, soften up what we got going on, just a smidge through, like, I'm down the rabbit hole in the K-beauty situationing, and my goodness, they all work like insanely hard for like what they're doing, and I just feel like you have to know that that's what you want to do for the rest of your life quite quickly. And I think that's insane. At this point, I'm sometimes like, did I make the right decisions? Am I messing up? Into my MAC paint pot, and I think it's laying low. Yep. Laying low. Soften that edge a little. Make sure that the color is where I actually want it to feel like. I'm going to sweat everything I put on off because I am boiling. It's going to hug the edges of the shape that I have created right here. Clean fluffy brush, and we're just going to soften the edges on this even further. For my favorite part, the addition of glitter, I'm gonna use this little pointy bit, just tap on in there, you know, and then focus it on the lighter area of my eye, just to, I feel like I sound so awkward, you guys. Like, you can see what I'm doing. I'm putting it here to give us a bit of sparkle, make it special, make it different, give it more. But too much in certain areas, I would say just get the same brushes you've been using and just lightly dust, and it should take away some of that glitter. I'm gonna jump into what has quickly become my favorite mascara. It's the Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. What I like about it most, I have to say, is that it literally is already at the consistency I like my mascara to be. Because you know, a lot of the time mascaras come and they're like really runny and kind of awful in that way, and you have to wait a little bit after opening it for it to get to the right texture. This literally starts at the right texture, which is so nice. This is basically our eye. I will pop lashes on a little bit later, but this is what we're looking at. I'm just going to dive into the face. It's too much product, potentially yes, but it's too late because I put it on my face. We've got our primer on. The only issue is I can feel myself starting to sweat, and the last time I sweated like this, I literally I sweated my makeup off basically, which is awful. What is pretty much my favorite foundation, setting spray. Really had to fix my under eyes and my chin 3 separate times because sweat, guys, disrupts everything. Going in with concealer, I use every single time. Matte base concealer kit in 13 to 16. I like this color. I tried the clean girl way of doing things. I did not like it. I think I love a bit of full coverage, and if I'm trying to like not wear makeup, I'm probably just going to not wear makeup. I think that's the issue I take with that, because man, I spent all that time doing my makeup. Let the people know that I have done my makeup and I did it well. Okay, just gonna go back in with my same brush that I did the bronzer with, just in a couple places to clean up my blend, and then to also just make a blend. Me too, for the first time ever, use the Switch Beauty Bubble Blush in Spice. I just got it literally today. This is what it looks like color-wise. It's not as like brown as I thought it would be, but I think it's really pretty. So because I'm feeling a bit lazy, I'm going to use the same brush, which, change your brushes guys, I promise. I think it makes a difference. Like really, really pretty. I like it. That's the way. Now another thing I like to do is just take a little bit of blush up into the temples and over there where we put the bronzer slash contour. My bronze. I'm actually very bad at contouring. Every time I've tried, I feel like I look just really, really dumb. So I don't really try anymore. Next up, because we are Switch babes through and through, is our Due Diligence in the color 3. My favorite way to use it is to create a bit of a mess on the back of my hand, take my brush, dip into the mess. From now the brush, just apply it where exactly I want it to be. I personally, if you only want to get one color, would recommend getting number 3, because I think it just blends so beautifully with like the blush that you put on. Staying on theme, we're going in with my Switch Beauty Matte Bounce Powder. Looks like that. And then I just whack it on the side because it's got this lovely little place where it'll catch your excess. Oh dear. I was not fast enough. I was talking about with the sweating. I'm getting like separation because I am sweating and it's awful. I'm about to do things you're not supposed to do. I'm just gonna add a little bit more product on top of that powder because where it's separated a little. Just gonna very quickly set bronze with this Passion Pro bronzer palette. This is the one in Beach Please. Going back in with the Switch blush on top of the powder, yes. Why? Because why not? You know? I still have product on the back of my hand that I'm going to quickly swoosh into and just... Yeah, that's a very nice, natural, glowy looking finish with all that powder. So pretty, so pretty. And then because we're so neutral on the eyes, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Ruby Woo. This is the final look. That's what we're working with. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me for like a second. Whew, yeah, hey, I got really hard. I had to take a break because everything was beginning to separate, and I said, no, not today, not on my watch, no. But yeah, if you have been enjoying me doing a bit of makeup, join me tomorrow for the next one.